What's up yo? Magandang gabi mga idol. We're back dito sa Unido. Sa lumang natin. Spot natin dito sa Las Cabañas. Matagal ko na hindi na-detect to. So balik tayo dito. Check natin, baka marami na nahulog dito. Yan, siguro mga almost 1 month na yata eh. So tara, check natin. Yan, so mag-high tide na. Ayan, ating My Love Xterra Pro. So tara, let's go. Set up lang ako mga idol. Power up. Power up. Search na natin. Factory reset ay tama. Install the port. Ayan. Factory reset natin mga idol. Tapos light. Tapos punta tayo sa beach mode, beach 1. Tapos ito yung setting. Noise cancelling. Tapos next let's start. Let's go. Parang poila. Let's target natin yung idol. Yo, catch up. First hit natin 10 piso. We have coin. Meron tayo 10 piso na. Yun. Watch this. 43, 44, 23. Watch this. Ayun. Kumalansing. Did we hit something? Oh, it's a Super Fall. 47. It's an iron. What's that? Oh, what's this? It's sold. Yeah, it's a piece of iron. 54, 56 yo. Are you coin or what's this? Check natin to. Ano to? Oops, I hit something. Oops. What's this? It's a stone. Oh. Ano? There you go. What's this? A coin? It's a washer. Yo. Konti. Nice one. Check natin to. Tignan ko may carrot. Yun kasha Nice one. Ano to? Let's see. What's this? It's a coin or a coin? Yo! Here we go. What's that? Iron? Yo, we have 9, 7, 20, 12, 9. Ano to? Expensive to. Oh, it's a chocolate. What's this? jumping. Jumpy. I think it's full tab. Ah, that's too deep, yeah. What's this? It's a coin? It's a full tab or what's this? It's nothing. It's a trash, yeah? Yeah, it's a trash. What's this? What's this? Reaching force. Yo, it's aluminum. What's this? Oh, I think it's a coin. It's a foreign coin. What's it called this? Yo, it's a, I think it's a euro. Yeah, it's 5 pesos. Mga idol, tapos na tayo sa ano, sa night metal detecting natin. Nakapinangan na natin, nag-lowbat yung GoPro natin. Hindi na-charge ng maayos. So yan, so wrap up tayo. Yung mga nakuha natin for 1 hour. So yan, mga trash na nakuha natin, pull tabs, may zipper pull, may mga metals, yan. Natin. So mga base na nakuha natin for night metal detecting natin. Yan, may tayo nakuha ng mga coins. 10, 20, bilangin natin. 30, 40, 50, 60. Meron tayong euro coin. 70 and 71 pesos. Yan. Ayan, so what's this? Ayan, mga lumang iron. Tapos ang ano natin, ang best find natin. Find for today natin, ring at saka isang pendant. Ayan mga idol. Hindi ko alam kung gold yan. Bukas din natin. Ayan, best find natin. Ayan, dalawa. Yo, saka coins and cash. So yun, gamit pa rin natin yung Xterra Pro natin from Minelab. Ayan, yung gamit natin. Medyo maganda yung ano, yung Xterra Pro. Ayan, gas pay natin, ring at saka pendant, saka coins. Yung mga ito, see you and peace out yo.